Hello all, welcome to another video of CodeCon. Today I'll be solving an interview question which was asked by Google. So as you can see, the question is named as odd and even measurements. Okay, so we are given this kind of table where we have having the measurement ID, the measurement value, and the measurement time. So and then the output is like this. So it is as the output shows that we are having the measurement day, and we are having the cumulative sum of the odd measurements and cumulative sum of the even measurements. So how we are like identifying whether it is an odd and even measurement? By this thing, right? See here, it's given that within a day the measurements taken at the first, third and fifth times are considered as odd number measurements, and measurements taken at second, fourth and sixth times are considered as even numbered measurements. So if you can see here, if you can imagine the row numbers here, like it will be 1, it will be 2, it will be 3. So for this particular day 10, like 10th, for this particular day 10th, if you can see, the first row number is 1, which is odd. Again the 3, which is again 3, it is odd, right? So this 1109.51 should be added with this particular value, and we are getting the summation as this one, 2355.75. And similarly, as we are having only single even numbered measurement for particular day 10, so it is given as we are displaying simply that particular number. Also for similarly for like day 11, if you can see, we are having one, if you can imagine the row number, like 1 will be here and 2 will be here, right? So it is given in the question that 1 should be 1, 3 and 5 should be considered as odd number measurements. So in the odd number measurements we are getting 1124.50, and also in the even number measurement, if you can see, this will be the number 2 row. So we are getting it under the even number measurement, and it will be like 1234.14. So my solution will be very straightforward. First I am going to put the row numbers for this particular table, and thereafter I will use a case condition in order to segregate them for like for the odd numbers, and then for the even numbers, right? Row. So I will select star from, the table name is named as measurements. I'll just copy it from here. I will use a row number over. So in I will partition it by the measurement time. Okay, so as I need it for each measurement day, right? So like for this particular 7 10, it will be 1 2 3, and again when it's coming to the next day for day 11, it will be again starting from 1 and 2, right? So for this one, and we are ordering it by order by suppose order by measurement id. Let's give it by measurement id, right? uh, let's order it by measurement id and give it as allies as drn. Okay, sorry, as row number rn. I'm running the code. Okay, so you can see, for each particular day I have got the measurements, I have got the row number, respective row numbers. Okay, right? So what I am going to do is, now I am going to add the even numbered rows, and I am going to separately add the odd number rows, right? I will store in ct with cte as this one. Now select star from city. Okay, so here I am going to do what? I am going to first right, I am going to first use a time, because the time should be mentioned. So I'm going to use a date function here in order to get the particular date of from this time, from this measurement time. So it will be named as measurement day, and then I'm going to use a case function under the sum condition. Sum case when rn mod 2 is not is equal to 0, then we will add the this value, then we will add the measurement value, right? When it is odd, we will add the measurement value, we are ending as we are ending the case as the odd sum, right? It is named as odd sum. And similarly what we'll do is that we will use the same thing, sum case when rn mod 2 is equal to 0, then measurement value, and we're ending the case as even underscore sum. So I need to group this by this particular date. Okay, it should be date time. I need to group this using the date time, right? Okay, I am grouping this by date time, and let's run the code. See, now for particular dates, right? Like for 10, it's showing the odd sum is 2355.75, and also the even sum is 1662.74. Right? I'm just using the order by clause as to maintain the chronology. Order by date time. Running this code, and yeah, the output goes like this. So I'm just submitting it, and it's accepted. So I think guys it's clear to you. I just use like the window function named row number, and thereafter I run a case condition inside the sum function, where it says that when the row number is odd I'm adding it, and I'm naming is at the odd sum, and when the row number is even I'm also adding the measurement value and naming is it under the column even sum. I hope you this is clear to you guys. Thank you for watching. Video in the next video.